Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create a task backlog in Todoist. The first step is to open your Todoist application. This is the platform where all your tasks will be managed, so it's essential to start here. Now that we've done that, move on to creating a new project by clicking on the Plus Project button. This is where your backlog will live. The reason we do this is to keep all your backlog tasks in one place, making it easier for you to manage. The third step is to start adding tasks. Simply click on Add Task and type in the task you want to add. Now let me explain why this matters. Each task represents something you need to do in the future, and by adding them to your backlog, you're ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Next up, you'll want to set due dates for each task. This helps us because it gives us a timeline for when each task should be completed, keeping us on track and avoiding any last-minute scrambling. The final step is to prioritize your tasks. Click on the priority icon next to each task and select a level from 1 to 4. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By prioritizing, you're deciding which tasks are more important or urgent than others. This helps you focus on what needs to be done first, making your workflow more efficient. That's it. You've now created a task backlog in Todoist. By following these steps, you're ensuring that all your tasks are organized, prioritized, and have a clear timeline, making your work life that much smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.